Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix networking issues with Meetup easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by checking your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. If you are using Wi-Fi, restart your router. Unplug the router and wait for about 10 seconds. Plug the router back in and wait for it to reboot fully. Open the Meetup app on your device. If the app doesn't load, close it completely and reopen it. Check for any available updates for the Meetup app. Go to your device's App Store and search for Meetup. If an update is available, install it. If the app still isn't working, restart your device. Power off your device and wait for a few seconds. Turn the device back on and open the Meetup app again. If you're still facing issues, try logging out of your account. Navigate to the settings in the Meetup app. Select Log Out to exit your account. Once logged out, log back in with your credentials. If problems persist, consider deleting and reinstalling the app. Uninstall the Meetup app from your device. Reinstall it from your device's App Store. After the reinstallation, log in again and check for improvements. Check the Meetup support page for any ongoing server issues. If there are issues reported, you may need to wait for them to be resolved. If everything above fails, contact Meetup customer support for assistance. Provide them with details of the issues you're experiencing. Follow any instructions or solutions they provide. By following these steps, you can effectively troubleshoot and fix networking issues with Meetup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.